Okay, so I'm back, and yeah, we're gonna do some very quick hacking on a bunch of random things. Um, so first things first, Spark Testing Base, working on getting a new release of that up. So let's go ahead and do that. Um, what are we doing with that? Spark Testing Base, right? So let's get some music going to here, view channel. Uh, cool. All right. So first things first, let's go take a look at actually what branch am I on? Okay. Input stream test. Okay. Input stream. Okay. And it's okay. Times. Okay. Fix the check for feature timed out. And then the other book here is it looks like there's a 248 issue, but I'm not. Part of me wants to just drop 248 because, like, oh, shared Java Spark context. Okay, let's go take a look. Shared Java Spark context. I go look at. Oh, we've got 2.4 and 2. Let's go with Discord. Um, and then we've got. Wait, what's the? There is another shared Java Spark context. Wait, what? The Popsicles? Implement Spark context provider. What about this is specific to 212? And also, is this included in anyone's build? I'm like 80% sure no. Let's go take a look. We've got before and wait, is there a diff between these two? There is not. Okay. Um, This does have a definition, so why is this mad? Like, this is concrete. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a Scala 212 build issue? Or is it a Scala 212 build issue? Um, hmm. This builds locally? It's just fine. I guess it's with JDK 11 that it's an issue, and it works fine in JDK 17. Or 21. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Wait, what do I... Hmm. Uh, is it... Oh, it's 211. I forgot about 211. Okay. Okay. So the problem here is in Scala 211, our abstract interface is going to... Okay. So for Scala 211, I supported Spark. Hmm. Uh, well, okay. Still not happy. Why are you not happy? line 51? Wait. What's wrong on line 51? Ah, conf. Also. Okay. This is. Oh. We need to add these methods. Or we could just drop Scala 211 support. Honestly, let's just drop Scala 211 support. I don't want to support Scala 211. And okay, start testing. Cool. Let's go with. You're gonna get 3. Could yell at me about needing to import, but you're not. Okay. Drop Scala 211 support at this point. Cool. Cool. That simplifies my life. And that should hopefully get the GitHub action passing again. Let's just simplify some code. And I did say I was going to review some other PRs, so let's do that really quickly while that's running. Cool. Cool. All right. So we've got another PR. This one's for Spark. Ooh, okay. Like this. Solid. Okay, cool. Let's go take a look. Okay. Ah. Okay. Here we go. So if access is 0, the old behavior should be fine. So, okay, if access is 0, this does more than I thought. It's okay. Okay. Okay, cool. So what happened to validate access? What was happening? What is validate access inside of frame.py? Frame. Okay. That's okay. So from utils, validate access. Check if even access is valid. So here we've got okay. Um, Okay. Do we still want to call validate access to convert it to a numeric ref? Otherwise, the access equals 0 check might need something. Cool. Let's keep going. I think we still want this call here. I could be wrong, but let's double check. Okay, so if access is 0, for label and column label, wait, what's the function that we're changing? This is the function any, right? Okay. Mm-hmm. So access should be 0, 1. Currently, yeah. So that seems reasonable. And we've got so if access is 0, what was a little code here? Essentially, it's just this code indented. I wish GitHub was smart about that. Let's try the new view, see if the new view is smarter. Try the new experience. I don't imagine it's going to be, but oh, is it? Wait. Yeah, okay, no, it's not. That's fine. Okay. Let's just make sure this is the same. Okay. This is the same for axis equals 0. So axis equals 1 is the case where we care about it. PySpark series, import first. So if axis is 1, let's go take a look at the pandas any API call. Yeah, okay, fine. Any. Just double check my. All right, cool, gotcha. Okay, cool. Um, internal spark frame select. Okay, yeah, that's the inverse logic. Yes, the one column data frame case. Cool. And then what's first series do? We imported that from PySpark Pandas series first. Okay. Okay. So we don't currently support access none. Although, I don't know, maybe we should. Okay, cool. I mean, yeah, it looks reasonable to me. I guess this is my main. Wait, is this right? Am I tripping? Because so essentially here, if we go here, if someone gives us an access name, yeah, index and columns. Because like essentially, I don't think we handle index and columns unless it's implicitly being converted somewhere else, but I don't see that. To convert it to a numeric ref. Otherwise, don't handle the string properly. But let's double check test any all. Cool. That's the call with names. One. Cool. Yeah. All right. Yay. Thanks for working on this. Question regarding the validate change, but looks well tested, but looks solid. Interested in reviewing this when we got it. Cool. Awesome. Cool. That's pretty solid. Let's go back to my pull requests. see about our fixed GHA build issue. Okay, cool. We're down to one failure. Unfortunately, which one is it? Ah, utils test. Not the one I was expecting. Okay. Let's find out. What? Okay. What's the failure? Ah. Okay, utils test. Okay, this is a race condition, which we should probably fix, but I can fix that another day. Okay, cool. This is fine. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and okay, drop Scala 211. On yeah, for upgrade version given language drop, and this is cool. Awesome. Fantastic, fantastic. Now let's go. Which was failing? All of them. So we are not doing this. Don't know why they're all failing, but let's go take a look. Why are they all failing? Let's go ahead, rerun all jobs. Similarly, we're going to go over here. What was failing here? This is the simple equality check as suggested by Mr. Powers. I think I did the co-authored by. Fantastic. Now they're all failing again. This makes me feel like the failures were maybe that I. But okay. Let's go take a look. 322. What failed? Input stream test. Ah, okay. This is the same thing that we had elsewhere, where essentially language thing. Rerun all of the tests for this one. Pretty sure it's probably fine. Let's rerun all the tests. Okay. And now these two were AI generated. Let's go ahead. Similarly, we're going to rerun all of these tests. And we are going to go and take a look at what's the other. Oh yeah, this one was something that I wanted to use. Spark session based overloads for data frame and data set generators. Okay. Yes, this is also a thing I wanted. Approve workflows to run. Cool. And then the other one. Yeah, this is the assert data set equals method. Just because, you know, cool. Still failing though. So that's probably a sign that there's something's wrong with this generated code from our friend Copilot. No, useless. That's not what I wanted. Oh god. Yeah, that's not going to work. They're not going to be rows. Ew, useless garbage monkeys. Okay. Let's go actually, I'm surprised any of these pass. That's interesting. Did any of them pass? Some of them passed. Because, like, yeah, I don't necessarily want these to be rows. Okay. Yes. At Copilot, look at the family test, but also the instructions were to support data sets of type not row, e.g. data set person. And the code proposed tests don't fix it. Cool. Let's, I don't know. Copilot. Okay, that one's not a winner. Let's go see about the other thing that I asked Copilot to do. And then that one might also suck. Okay. And it's failing, but it's only failing 2, 4, 8, 8, 11. Let's go take a look. What's failing? This needs a rebase. Or we can ignore it. And we can ignore it for now. That's fine. Okay, let's go look at the code. Except, it doesn't default to 1. Hmm. 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 Rather than duplicate this code, all the SQL context is 1. And we can okay, and we're going to do the same thing probably up here. Oh, no, that actually is the right thing. Okay, cool. Well, so Copilot's, I mean, it's not terrible on either of these. It didn't do amazing. Yep. Okay. Some comment on reducing arbitrary and reducing copy pasta code, all the SQL context line. Okay. Cool. Okay, well, we're not going to merge either of these because they're not great, but they're not atrocious. Right, like it's fine generated code. It's sort of what I'd expect from a very junior developer. But yeah, we're not gonna merge these. Let's go take a look about the simple equality check column one. It's artisanally handcrafted and is, of course, failing all of my tests. Because humans can write shitty code too, especially when that human is me. Wait, no, this failed 2 days ago, but I just asked you to rerun it, didn't I? Am I tripping? I asked you to rerun this. Also, where's my error? That's the input stream test. Okay, I guess let's rebase it. Maybe that's what I have to do. What's our branch? Cool. All right, cool. So we rebased it. That should be fine. And yeah, I guess we'll see what's going on with these. Copilot picks up our new requests. Okay. Well, it did. So we'll come back to this tomorrow, I think, and sort of see if Copilot did the things we asked it to do on those two, and we'll double check that my artisanally handcrafted PR is good, and we'll see what happens over here with this PR. I'm really excited to have more people working on the Pandas Spark interface. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, that's awesome. I got a concert to go to tonight though, so I'm gonna go and cook dinner, and that should be good. Thanks everyone. Have a lovely rest of your day. Yeah. Oh right, and tomorrow I'm gonna be at AI by the Bay, and on Wednesday there's a free event down at the Snowflake offices around the Polaris catalog or Polaris catalog. I don't actually remember what, but if you're in the Bay, check those events out.